Yeah, we're under a high wind warning. That bottom that I live in down there in Oklahoma, everything goes over the top of it. Winds are gusting 60 miles an hour here at least. Listen at that hatch roaring. Yeah, I'm in Howard, Kansas is where I'm at. It's not that much now, but I can't even hold this camera steady. That's how hard this is gusting. I know I can't hold this still. It's probably sustained at 30 miles per hour probably on this wind, and of course that's when all the traffic starts coming. Yeah, that's 50 miles an hour gust easy. I don't have any kind of stabilizer on this thing. Stuff roaring now. Howard, Kansas, and today's date is December 15th, 2021. We got a high wind warning, 70 to 80 mile per hour winds, non-thunderstorm in this state today. And these are 40 to 50 mile per hour. It hadn't quite gotten here yet. Hell, on this radar, all you can see is a reflection of my finger, but if you look above Amarillo, these are wind speeds, and that is sustained wind and not gust. And if you see in the purple, you look at the legend, that is 50 to 55 mile per hour sustained winds. And then over the mountains of New Mexico, that purple dot down there you see, that's 60 mile per hour sustained winds. Where I'm at right now is 40 to 45 mile per hour sustained winds. I'm right beside where it says Wichita right there. let you have one more look outside. Show it to you again there.